Another video of the Great Blizzard of 26. I meant to say how much snow we had when I did the last video taping. I think we logged about 33 inches. Put that into perspective, the Great Blizzard of 78 was only 28 inches in most places. We topped that. Just couldn't believe it. Never thought in our lifetime we'd see a blizzard to the magnitude of the one that happened just over 48 years ago. Just absolutely surreal. Yeah. Next door neighbors did a little shoveling too. Yeah. I'm just going to wait for the plow down to do a job on our driveway. Might come later today and tomorrow. I'm just kicking this. My snowshoes I'm wearing. Yeah, probably need snowshoes. Never had one in my life, but I've seen them in cartoons and comedy shows. Yeah, got those cars out of the very light snow. You could see. Got a bang up job to do. Probably tomorrow I get those cars free. Yep. Again, you could see practically all the bushes there in front of the house, all matted down from all the weight of the wind. Actually, when the snow fell yesterday morning, it was heavy and wet. But then, by late morning, it got cold enough and the snow was nice and fluffy, and that helped. It made shoveling a little easier and also cut down the number of heavy snow, wind-related massive blackouts. Yeah, that was in the news too. A lot of people in the dark. Yeah, have to wait for the snow plows to clear the roads first before the utility trucks can come to the rescue. Yeah. Boy, incredible. Yeah. Just think about 4 or 5 months from now, I'll be videotaping lightning out of this window. Yeah, wouldn't that be nice? I remember that picture of my mother going back to late 61. I remember it myself. Thought that was one of the waitresses at the Hotel Cottage in Monteverdale, late 61. There they are, having a wonderful time shoveling themselves. Of course, they don't really do it the way I do it, but they got their own special way. Yeah. There's a little wind out there. Got his earmuffs on. Because it's cold out there. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, both cars are still parked there. Jenny and Grayson. You can tell how deep the snow is. Practically Jenny can't even be seen with the snow. Yeah. And there's Grayson right there. First met him on 10/4/97. And the winter of 97/98 would be a very mild winter. Like we hardly had any snow that entire winter. That was the year he first moved there. Yeah, Grayson and Jenny. Doing pretty well for their ages. They're certainly older than I am by a little bit. Yep. Yeah, they're having fun shoveling. Yeah, many kudos. They're doing a great job. Yeah. Probably read my email. They knew how much snow we're going to get. Well, my AccuWeather blogs. Yeah, why don't you put your shovels down and go inside and take a nice long nap. You deserve it, you guys. Big time. Meanwhile, right here, you know, you see that and that. Those are the pastels I use for my latest comics. Alright. I haven't done any yesterday because of all the hoopla on the Blizzard of 26. Okay, bye now.